Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S channel. Today's recipe, as usual, we are here to make authentic Ghanaian cabbage stew. This stew is full of flavor and you are going to love it. And your kids, oh, they will just ask for more. So please stay with me, come to the kitchen and let's get cooking. So first, I am going to soak my bowl with a lot of water. So I am going to use this water to wash my cabbage. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of salt. So that way, when I soak the cabbage in there, it will kill any bacteria or it will wash the cabbage really nice. So I won't have to worry about it. So I'm using a whole cabbage. I got it fresh from the market and I'm going to cut it into 2 pieces. And I'm going to just stick it in the water and soak it in there for about 10 minutes. Yeah, so this way it helps a lot and it washes it really well. Or you can use vinegar as well. So the next, I am going to wash my vegetables. So I'm using habanero, tomatoes, and I'm going to cut half onion as well. So I have a large onion, but I'm going to use half just to begin. This onion is very huge, so make sure you wash your vegetables really nice, and then you're going to blend this in a sanka way. And also, I wanted to take this opportunity and thank you so much for 50,000 subscribers. It feels amazing. Thank you for all your support and thanks for sharing my videos. It feels amazing to have you, and then everything that I posted, you guys enjoy. It's just amazing. Thank you so much. It's truly from my heart. I really appreciate you so much, and I will keep and do my best to post videos for you. Thank you so much. So next, we are going to blend our vegetables. So we're going to start with habanero, garlic, and the half onion that we just cleaned. Yeah, so make sure that you add it as well. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of rosemary and a tablespoon of clove and 1 teaspoon of salt. So just go ahead and blend it. If you don't have it, please, you can use blender. You don't have to, worry about it at all. So I'm going to cut my cabbage. So right now it is nicely washed, and this is the best time to cut it into pieces. So you can cut it anyhow you want. If you want to cut it like bigger than what I'm doing, you can, but I like it to cut it in little pieces, so that way it will cook faster. And also, I won't have to worry about boiling it, because I know some people boil their cabbage before they make their stew. To me, I feel like so better say you always cut it and then cook it just the way it is. So washing a you can just cook the way it is. You don't have to worry about just boiling it all over again. So now I am cutting in my leftover onion. This is what we are going to use to fry the stew with. And after that, I am going to cut in my tomatoes into pieces. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So after we cut in our tomatoes, we are going to turn our stove on into the medium heat, and we are going to add in our oil. So with this cabbage stew, you have so many options when it comes to oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use palm oil, you can use vegetable oil, you can use any oil of your choice, but I prefer coconut oil because that's my favorite so far. So I'm going to add in my onion and then stir and leave it on to cook for about a minute. After a minute, just go ahead and add in your blended onion with a little bit of spice and give it a stir and leave it on to cook for 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, go ahead and add in your fresh tomatoes, and also I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and it's an optional. If you don't have it, just use the fresh tomatoes. So this is the best time to add in your seasoning. So I'm adding in turmeric, mustard, all-purpose seasoning, and cayenne pepper, and they are all 1 tablespoon each, because you're making a lot of cabbage stew. So make sure that you add it. And all my seasonings are natural and they're all healthy as well. So just feel free and add it. So after that, we're going to add in some mackerel. And yes, to you ever say a tiapo. I was here adding in mackerel, and also I'm gonna add in corned beef. So feel free and add any meat of your choice, okay? But this is what I want. And the episode is still no. A home kakra on the way, you know. They are a tough man, will be a bit deep, still eat, and I who sent the crowd of you, mamma. If you can say, hey, still the way you know him, I like that. So now I am adding in my cabbage. This is the time to add the cabbage. If you see what I told you, don't cook the cabbage first because you're gonna ruin your stew, okay? So after you add in your cabbage, if you have any vegetables of your choice, please feel free and add it. So I'm adding in yellow bell pepper, and I'm going to throw in some leftovers frozen vegetable that I have that I'm not going to use it. So after that, you can just leave it on to cook for 10 minutes, and it will be ready. Cabbage stew that is sham. So with this, you can eat with yam, plantain, gari, cocoa. You can eat with everything that you have at all. So today I'm going to serve it with some rice, and that is all I have. And if you have avocado, just end it with that as well, okay? Thank you so much for cooking with me, and I will see you on my next video. Have a blessed day. The different show video, keep sharing the love, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy.